What's up, y'all? It's Princess back at it with another video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve these soft crimps on my wig. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share and keep watching. So this is what she looks like. She's beautiful. She's beautiful, you know. But we about to give sis some crimps, baby. And the niggas like... The hood niggas like crowns, boo. Say, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. But we about to get this hair crimped up and styled. I'm about to go in with some. I don't have it. I'll be back. Okay. So today in this video, what you're going to need is heat protector spray. Protect your bundles. Thank you. They'll thank you too. I also go in with some BioSilk. I did straighten this hair prior to making this video so that I could come out with the perfect crimps. This is body wave hair. When I did straighten this hair, I didn't use much of silk. I didn't use my BioSilk like how I normally do. And it still kind of had like some kinks in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm about to go ahead and plug up my curling iron. The curling iron that I have is this. I got this from my mom. I actually had this for about a month and I was supposed to use it, but lucky for you guys, it's still in the box. It's called Hot and Hotter Professional Tools for Professional Results. Okay, so it goes up to 430 max for long lasting styles. Fast heat, ready to use in only 60 seconds. Great, because I'm about to use it in about 60 seconds. So let's get into this video. Okay, so first we're gonna start by spraying the hair with some heat protectant. I already sprayed it on there, so we're about to get to working. So first what you're going to do is section out your hair. Not too big, not too small, but big enough for your curling iron. And then you're going to start at the top of the hair and work your way down. As you work your way down, you're going to want to put that first barrel where the second barrel was and just keep on moving down. You're going to want to do that just so it keeps its texture and it doesn't lose that crimp shape.
She blow on my phone like all the time. She like, where you at? I'm like, mine to mine. She said she want love, then not Valentine. Yeah, she didn't know what it is, girl, you know, cross the line. She like, where you at? I'm like, mine to mine. She said, boy, you really gon' make me cry. Yeah. You ain't never.
I forgot to mention this, but the product that I'm spraying on the hair before putting on the crimper is the Freeze Blast spray from Gots to Be. I use that just to give the hair a little bit more texture and to make the style last a little longer.
Log out, baby, sign, no. Hey. She texting my phone, she hitting my line like every day. Hey. She texting my phone, she hitting my line like every day. Hey. The mama, she know my life like a movie, go ahead and press play. The mama, she know my life like a movie, go ahead and press play. She blow on my phone like all the time. She like, where you at? I'm like, mine to mine.
FYI, my crimper kept coming unplugged. Couldn't tell you why. It was connected to the extension cord, but for some reason it just kept on coming out, which made my curling iron cut off, which made my curls look not as like they were supposed to look. So just ignore that. I did go over those pieces, but just in case it looks like that, my crimper may have been going out.
She said she want love, then not Valentine. Yeah, she didn't know what it is, girl, you know, cross the line. She like, where you at? I'm like, mine to mine. She said, boy, you really gon' make me cry. Yeah. You ain't never really care about a nigga feeling. You all about trouble, you all about drama, stay out of my way. Hey. 9 to 10, but then a 10, girl, you gon' get it. I ain't got no time for rest of that whole beginning. I ain't got no time for rest of that whole beginning. Your play, bitch, stay out my face, but get out my way. I might come outside, might not be the day. I got some things I wanna say. I got some hoes I wanna taste, cause they so stuck in their ways. Drop on the D, she riding away. She claim that she gay, I guess not today. She wanna argue and get in my face, getting loud in the night, she girl, get in your place. I'll be your deuce and baby, you my ace. Let's get this money and fill up the safe. Money in class to these raps, we gon' race. Nikki and Safari, let's go make a tape. Put it in your stomach, make it hit your waist. Love it when you scream, love to see your face. Hey, she texting my phone, she hitting my line like every day. Hey, she texting my phone, she hitting my line like every day. Hey, the mama mama, she know my life like a movie, go ahead and press play. Lil' mama, she know my life like a movie, go ahead and press play. She blowin' my phone up like all the time. She like, where you at? I'm like, mine to mine. She said she want love, then not Valentine, yeah, shawty know what it is, girl, you know cross the line. She like, where you at? I'm like, mine to mine. She said, boy, you really gon' make me cry, yeah. You ain't never really care about a nigga feeling. You all about trouble, you all about drama, stay out of my way, hey. Now the table, then the turn, girl, you gon' get it. I ain't got no time for rest of that whole big, get in your place, hey.
Get that bag, get through.
Say we be fussing and we fighting, that's true. You never know that it's so good till you lose. I don't know what I really like about you, yeah, but there's some things I can't deny about you, about you, about you, about you, about you. There's some things I can't deny about you, about you, about you, about you, about you, yeah. Girl, it's something about you, man, I don't even know what it was. That really fucked me up. She said she like my sauce side, but love it when I throw. But when you and your feelings talking crazy, acting up, who gon' love you just like I do? Nobody ever. Girl, I'm wasted, gotta face it. I know I'm blowing up your phone and I can't take it. I know your heart won't tell you wrong, I know you hate it. Girl, we running out of time, I'm losing patience. Say we be fussing and we fighting, that's true.
If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll give you a second to do that now. Okay, thanks. Back to the video.
You never know that it's so good till you lose. I don't know what I really like about you, yeah, but there's some things I can't deny about you, about you, about you, about you, about you. There's some things I can't deny about you, about you, about you, about you, about you, yeah. Girl, it's something about you. Can't lie, girl, I don't wanna doubt you. Sometimes I can't stand to be around you. Other times I don't know how I found you. Hey, we can get lit, little baby. I ain't even really gotta hit, little baby. Yeah. You can just sit, little baby. Chill, while nigga make hits, little baby. Yeah.
I did go in and pluck my part a little bit, just a little. That's just me. You don't have to do this part. I preferably like a pluck part because I like that precision, nice, sleek. You know what we're here for, look. point, I am going in with my wax stick and I'm just pulling those hairs back. I don't like doing my baby hairs on the wig stand because I feel like when I go in to cut my lace as well as install my wig, it kind of gives me trouble and I have to end up pulling them back anyway. So I just do my baby hairs last. Here I'm just showing you guys what the hair looked like before I spray the pump it up spray on it. We giving the girls crimps. We giving the girls shine, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, slam that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want any custom made units or want a wig remade or styled, please hit up my Instagram. The link will be in the description box. See you guys next time.